Greetings! One of today's important projects is harvesting up Chinese cabbage and preparing it for market. The Hawaiian Food Basket has agreed to go ahead and take my cabbages from me. Chinese cabbage is an extraordinarily fast-growing vegetable. You can't have any eruptions as you're putting seeds into the pots and the plants into the ground and so forth. You don't want to let things get cramped. You want it to race right to the finish, because it will actually finish in almost twice the rate of speed that a regular European-style cabbage will. Check out this crop over here. I am totally impressed with this plant's ability to grow here. The variety I'm raising is 2 kilo, and then I have a second crop of Rubicon coming behind it, which is a little more spherical. 2 kilo is a little more upright, more conventional style. 2 kilo is one of the local varieties here. It just does fabulous, and the Food Basket wants them. They're willing to pay good prices to get these things, and so I am willing to raise plenty of it. Check this out. Just look at that beauty. I mean, is that 2 kilo or what? Yeah, I mean, it's like, whoa, it's like 3 times the size of my head. No, actually, it's almost the same size. Hey, I'm almost as smart as a cabbage. So, some of the beauty of raising crops like cabbages and Chinese cabbages is that we do have problems with slugs and bugs and different things that want to chew up our crops here. Well, when you're working with something like a cabbage, it has layers, and the layers can be peeled. And so you can peel this back until you get it to a clean, perfect vegetable within without having to use sprays to do this. I find that very appealing. I don't like spraying. Ooh, terrible pun, right? Yeah, so, I mean, that's the way it works. It's a very simple proposition, but to get that effect, so you don't have to use sprays on this, you have to be very timely. You can't let this stuff sit in the field. If you do, it's going to get infested and they'll bore in here because it's really tender. You have to handle it gently because you can crush this. It's like glass almost. It's more tender than a regular European cabbage. Can't throw this one, it'll break. So if you are harvesting in a very timely fashion, as soon as the heads are formed, you'll be able to get the crop off the field before anything has a chance to really destroy it without having to use a spray. And so that's where I'm at right here now. I contacted Kailani the other day and I said, hey, I got cabbage, you want it? She says, oh yeah. So here we are, and so I'm going to get it out of here. I have another crop coming behind it and another crop coming behind that. Have a look. Here you can see how things are going over here. We have at the far end the 2 kilo, which I'm picking right now. In the center of the patch is more 2 kilo again, which is younger. And then over here on the far end of the patch, I have Rubicon, which is more of a round Chinese cabbage and is also an excellent Chinese cabbage. I've been successful with that one here before. So, as I said, it's a misty morning here. Excellent weather for cabbages, and my camera is getting wet, so I guess we're going to cut this one short. I just wanted to let you see what you can do if you got a little piece of land here in Puna with some soil underneath it. If you're up here above 1,500 feet, broccoli, cabbages, cauliflowers, Chinese cabbages, so many of the cole crops just thrive up here. So does lettuce. Outstanding environment. Kale grows like crazy up here. But we also get marvelous crops of peppers and cucumbers and tomatoes and so on too. So it's a marvelous place to be as far as that's concerned. Once you figure out the 101 of trying to grow food crops in Puna. Aloha. Y'all have a wonderful day and hang loose.